First one is database GUI design tool, the graphical, the database user interface tool. Simplify the database of large database for the single database creating queries, the small schemas and the administrative of the database design for the GUI of the vendor the business system. Some application there are various tools are commercial the IDE for SQL and from the PostgreSQL of then MySQL and NetBeans provide the GUI front-end tool database design. Second one is case tools. The computer aided software engineering tools is second tool. Third is data drawing tools that convert the data design into data model in the conceptual designs phase to provide detailed views of the whole model. Next one is need to database design tool. The following are the reason behind the needed to database design tool. Some all manual process are automated into increase overall productivity. Generate the relational schemas will allow the store information with redundancy. General schema with allow the store and without redundancy. Some conceptions less for the database design. The teamwork and standard ensure the individual components can be integrated into complete applications to the result and the product. Desired features. The desired features, various features are the database design tools as follows. The database design tool should capture the user needs, the capability to model, the flow of data and the organizations. The database design should have the capability to model entities and their relationship. The database design tool should have the capability to generate the data definition language or mean DDL to create database object for database design tool should support the full life cycle of database design. Then it should generate reports and documentation and user feedback of the sessions. Next one is advantages. The amount of code to be written reduced the result. Database design time is the reduced and changes the error become minimal. Manual work will be reduced and easy to convert the business model to working database model. Easy to ensure all the business requirements are met with the high quality and more accurate and produce products. Disadvantages. Some disadvantages of database tools. The more expensive involve the data tools itself, and developers may require the special training use this tool. The commercial tools. The commercial tool. The first one is KStudio 2. The database modeling tool that helps to develop the DB task with the higher productivity and quality. Then database design for database created and maintained database for entity relationship diagram to design the graphically. Next DB design 4 in the database schema without the query. Then ER Studio, the data modeling application for logical and physical database design constructor, and the Happy Fish database design. ERD database tool for multiple data platforms. Then Oracle Designer 2000, the case tool for designing system for generating code that can be edited on the Oracle. Q Designer create and manage software design solution with new technology for empowering the user data. Power designer create a business process, relational and dimensional models of database design. Web object Java based protecting tool with web application server and object oriented database connectivity. Xcase the practical automation tool of the data engineers. Thank you.